Did you know a Japanese philosopher once set fire to everything he'd ever written? Picture this. A respected teacher standing before his shocked students, watching decades of his scholarly work turn to ash. This wasn't an act of madness. It was pure wisdom. The 17th century philosopher understood something most people miss. We think collecting more information makes us smarter. We hoard books, take endless notes, and stuff our minds with facts. But here's the truth that changed everything for him. Sometimes knowledge becomes a prison. Think about it. How often do you overthink instead of just acting? How many times has your mind talked you out of trusting your gut? The philosopher realized that real wisdom doesn't come from what you know. It comes from what you experience. All those books and theories were actually blocking his path to genuine understanding. By burning his works, he taught the ultimate lesson. Let go of what you think you know. Trust your direct experience. Stop collecting wisdom and start living it. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can do is unlearn everything and begin again.